Oh, hello. I'm Jordan. What you're about to watch is the entire process of my most ambitious and first completely original drawing. I modeled, lit, photographed, edited, cut, and drew this entire project all on my own over the period of like 6 months. A few years, actually, if you consider the time it took to grow Ronnie and Arnold over here. I'm still figuring out how to make compelling and interesting drawing videos, so leave a comment with any feedback or just kind of tell me I'm dumb and this was boring. Anything helps, really. Like the video if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more drawing videos like this. I'm also on Instagram and TikTok at George's Odyssey, where I post more of my artwork and also random little updates and stupid humor type stuff. So I have 2 posts up there currently that get into the backstory of how this drawing came to be, so take a gander at those if that tickles your curiosity glands. And that's all. Enjoy. And that is it. Thank you for watching. I assume that if you're still here, you like the video, so go ahead and give that like button a click. I just wanted to add on to the end here that I'm currently working on setting up an Etsy shop where I plan to sell t-shirts, sweatshirts, and hoodies with my art on them. I'll put like some cryptic text above it and a little Jordan's Odyssey underneath. That'll be available for purchase hopefully sometime soon. And for my next video, I'll be going through my entire resin process. Hold on. I'll do one of those lame like art reveal type things. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how I take a simple drawing on a sheet of paper like that, and I'll turn it into something like this. So I'll show you how I prepare a wood panel, and then I'll mount the drawing on top of it. Then I'll mix up some resin, pour it on top, let it cure. Then you have like a nice glossy finish like that. It's rock solid, protected forever. You could show it off to your friends, add it to a gallery or something like that. So subscribe for that. Thanks again for watching, and you will see me in the next one. Bye.